Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having a nice weekend. Previously we talked about whole S20 lineup. Price tags on standard S20 starts from $999, the S20 Plus from $1199, and the Ultra model for $1399. Now in the same specification and pricing aspect, there's S20 rival already set loose. On March 6, 2020, OPPO released the OPPO Find X2 and Find X2 Pro. Now these devices from OPPO are running Android 10 with OPPO's ColorOS 7.1 user interface. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, the X2 comes with 8 to 12 gigs of memory options and a storage capacity from 128 to 256 gigs, and the X2 Pro with 12 gigs of memory and a storage capacity from 256 to 512 gigs. The X2 is packed with a 4200 mAh of battery, followed by the X2 Pro packed with a 4260 mAh. Compared to Samsung's S20 Ultra with a fast charging capability of 45 watt, the X2 and X2 Pro comes with a 65 watt Super Whoop charging brick, capable of maxing out the device to 100% in just 38 minutes. Now, there are two main units in which X2 and X2 Pro are competing edge to edge with Samsung Galaxy S20 series. First one is the display panel of these devices. Both are having 6.7 inches of AMOLED punch-hole screen inclusive of optical under-display fingerprint sensor and an aggressive 90.9 screen-to-body ratio. Both X2 and X2 Pro are capable of delivering Quad HD display at 120Hz of refresh rate, none like S20 series doing Quad HD at 60Hz and Full HD at 120Hz. Though there are speculations that Samsung may lift up this intangible display setting in future updates, as it is powered by the same Snapdragon 865 with a plus point of having a bigger battery. Second is the camera unit of these devices. Both X2 and X2 Pro hold the 32 megapixel wide selfie lens capable of recording videos at 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second. On the back of the phones goes a tri-camera setup with X2 having a 48 megapixel wide lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 13 megapixel telephoto lens. The X2 Pro in this case got some attention going with a 48 megapixel wide lens, a 48 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 13 megapixel telephoto lens capable of zooming 60 times digitally. Both X2 and X2 Pro can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. In pricing aspect, Find X2 starts at $970 as for Find X2 Pro starts at $1280, both being capable of 5G connectivity. So does it really stand against S20 lineup? In my opinion, it's a no, because at the end S20 Ultra is still outnumbering X2 Pro in most areas. But it's what I think. Do let me know of your views and thoughts on X2 series in the comments. And with all that being said, thank you so much for watching. My name is Haris, this is FantasTECH. Catch you in the next one. Peace.